Hello everybody, welcome back to my hair series. So today I am going to be trying out for the first time ever a curl mousse. Yes, believe it or not, I have not tried a curl mousse yet, and I discovered the curly girl method like over a year ago. So I've just picked up this curl mousse from the shop. It was so cheap, it was like £2.50. It was either this one, Shockwaves, or VO5. They were both the same price. This one's cap was broken. I was really hoping to get a discount, but I wasn't so lucky. So obviously I stopped doing the curly girl method like religiously, but I do it every now and then. I have just freshly washed my hair with some curly girl friendly products, and I've like watched one video on how you're meant to apply the mousse, so I'm just gonna do what I saw in the video. So I'm going to section my hair. I also learnt that it's better on damp hair rather than soaking wet hair, whereas with gel sometimes it's better on soaking wet hair. So my hair is damp. I've kind of dried it with a t-shirt. Okay, this is so weird. I've literally never used a mousse before. I guess I'm going to get... Oh! Okay, that's... Wow, that come out really quick. I feel like that's too much, but... Oh well. Oh, smells really good. Okay, so that feels like a lot, so I'm going to spread it between both halves on my hair. Try and just cover it fairly evenly up to the roots and down. Okay. All right. Now, oh, should I start scrunching it already? I don't know. Okay. I'm just going to do what the girl did in the video. Move that hair out of the way. Oh, crap. Now it's all mixed up. Balls. Ooh, I like it a lot. It's like kind of like shaving foam, I guess. Put that all on this side. I don't know if I'm really doing this correctly, but it looks like that's how the girl did it, which I just watched. This just feels really unnatural to be putting this in my hair, but we will see. It might be beautiful, you never know. And then I'm just gonna put a tinsy bit on the back just to cover the crown of my head, where I didn't really get any. So that's kind of all throughout my hair now. Don't really know where to put any on my fringe. I'm now going to scrunch. It doesn't feel as though it's creating as much curl as it does when I use gel. Maybe I should put my little tree on. Does that make a difference? Oh, that's quite pretty. I'm gonna leave that on. I don't think scrunching it anymore is really gonna do anything, so I'm gonna have to leave it at that. Also, to help it dry, I'm just gonna diffuse on a medium setting and then let it air dry the rest of the way. I'm back and it's getting dark already because it's winter time, but this is my hair. I haven't really touched it yet. It definitely looks different to what I'm used to. Whoa, whoa. It looks super shiny. Actually, I think it might be my new light, because my new light is so bright that it just makes my hair look so shiny. I'm now just going to scrunch out the cast. Not the same kind of cast that gel gives, where it's like crispy. This is interesting. It definitely looks different. Kind of don't like what's done up here though. It looks as though it's greasy. Probably shouldn't have put too much up at the front. I've tried to set my light up a little different so you can kind of see in true light it is not as shiny as it looked in the previous shot that I had, but it's still pretty stringy. I don't know if it's just damp. No, I think it's just strimmy. I think maybe I used a little bit too much because it does look a bit stringy. Even though I've tried scrunching it out, it hasn't scrunched out as well as gel has for me. It's definitely more of a wavy look. I feel like gel holds my curl a bit more. So I'm going to see how this holds up overnight. I'm going to do a refresh in the morning, and I'm also going to see how it holds up on like third day just before washing again. So hello, okay, so it's the next day and I have had my hair in a bun all morning and overnight. I have also worked out today, not done anything to it at all today. Let's see how it's held up. Okay, not too bad. The curls are still in place. Let's take this off so you can see better. It's a little messy, but it's kind of like good messy, do you know what I mean? All right, I've got a mirror here, so. Oh, not bad at all. Not bad at all. It's actually better than I thought it would be. It doesn't look greasy anymore. It kind of seems to have, like, overnight just sort of, the cast is sort of gone, which is good. I'm glad about that. I don't even think I need to spritz and scrunch this hair. It's actually not too bad. I'm trying to see the back in my viewfinder. It's not too bad. So this is my hair in natural light, just from the window. You know, I think I'm gonna leave it like this today. I'm ready to go. I like it. I like it. You know, sometimes wavy and curly hair is so unpredictable. Sometimes you just sleep in the right position or put it up in a very specific way that it just somehow looks good the next morning, and you can do exactly the same thing and it will turn out differently. So like, it's so unpredictable. So today I guess is a good hair day. Hello, it is day 2 of this hairstyle. Yesterday going out wearing a coat and it was kind of like rainy and my hair was rubbing on my coat and stuff, so I actually haven't taken it down today yet. It's noon. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Oh, you're joking! My light's just gone. Maybe this angle is slightly better because I've got like the actual daylight, even though it's gloomy AF. Today I'm gonna do a spritz and scrunch and see if it works. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty frizzy. The waves have completely like come out. Okay, so I'm gonna spritz and scrunch all my hair and I'll be back when it's dry. I'm back. It's not great. It's dried for the day and it's so frizzy and messy. Yeah, it's not great. So we'll put it up today or something. Okay, it's the week after now. So by day 3 and 4, my hair was pretty much unwearable. This is kind of usual when I do my curly girl routine because my hair tends to only look good for day 1 and 2, 3 and 4. It gets a bit difficult. So I believe I washed my hair on the 4th day. It's now the week after. I have just washed my hair again and I have just applied the mousse again. So this is another look at day 1 hair with the mousse. It's pretty much dry, but I'm losing daylight, so I had to kind of film this quickly. It's still a little damp, so I should really wait till it's 100% dry to scrunch out the crunch. I mean, there wasn't really any crunch anyway, but you can kind of see it looks stringy. So my overall verdict, I like it because it doesn't take as long to dry as gel. So I have let my hair completely air dry, no diffuser, and it's taken just over an hour. Whereas the gel, if I left it to completely air dry, it would take like 3 to 4 hours, no joke. But I do think that the mousse, or at least the mousse I used, has resulted in a slightly messier kind of wave, whereas with the gel I find that it's a bit more defined. So there is kind of like a layer of frizz. It's also not as soft as when I use gel. It's got a bit of texture to it. It's not rough, but it just, you can kind of feel like it's got a bit of texture to it, and it doesn't feel the softest, so I won't lie. But I probably will use this again just simply because it's so much quicker than using gel. If there's anything you think I should try or anything that you want to see me try next, please leave a comment. If you liked the video, please give it a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!